For today's video, we're going to do a banded workout. We're going to stick to the upper body and make it a circuit. So you could do as many rounds as you want to get a really good workout. Bands are really good to work with. It keeps resistance on the muscle the whole time, and it allows you to work on range of motion, and also is very joint friendly. So let's go ahead and get started. So even though we're only working out upper body, we are going to have a nice stance for the lower body. So our feet are about hip width apart. We're going to have slightly bent knees, just soft knees, and we're going to engage the glutes and pull the core in. So all of that's going to be nice and engaged while we warm up the upper body. So the first thing you're going to do is grab your band and we're going to warm up. So palms up for this one. Nice strong core. And all you're going to do is open the arms, bringing those shoulder blades together and closing. So in your stance, open and close. Now be careful not to flare the ribs when you open. You don't want to arch. We're keeping it in the shoulders and the back. Here we go. Open and close. Open and close. Also want to make sure that you are lowering the shoulders. So pull those shoulders up, back, and down. Make sure that your traps, upper traps, are not over engaged and lifting up to the ears. Okay, so let it rest for a second before we do another round. This time we're going to put our palms down. So you make the resistance how much you want it. So open and close. All right, next, we're moving on to shoulders. Place the band on the ground and just step right in the middle. And you can also work on balance at the same time by having a staggered stance. Toes straight forward, soft knees, engage the glutes, belly to spine, and you're gonna lift one side at a time, not leaning to compensate for the weight change. Nice core workout as well. Okay, step off, staggered stance, other foot forward, soft knees, engage the glutes, belly to spine, and one side at a time. So if the body is wanting to lean, you need to strengthen your core. So try to engage the core and not shift. Again, we're staying out of the traps and we're staying on the outside of the shoulder. Break, and then we're going to move on to biceps. Again, place it center, step right on top, feet about shoulder width apart, soft knees, engage the glutes, tight core, elbows are tucked into the side of your body, and then we're going to go up and down for the biceps. Give it a nice little squeeze at the top. On to the next one, we're going to do a row. So you can step, showing you the side because you want to make make sure you hinge forward. It's in the hips. So a lot of people tend to hinge in their core. You want to keep your spine super straight. Push those hips back and draw the belly to the spine. You're going to grab the band, keep your back flat, and then roll those elbows back. Bring your shoulder blades together. Again, don't flare the ribs. Keep a straight spine and bring your shoulder blades together. Stretch, pull, stretch, pull. A few more. Always keep your head in alignment with the spine. And come on. Okay, next we're going to do triceps. So, grab the band, anchor it down, and overhead extension. So, feet are both shoulder width apart. Get your nice stance in, all the way up and down, right here. And down. And 10. Let's switch to the other side. Anchor down and up. And that's it. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Like I said, you can do 2 to 3 rounds so you can get a really good workout and work on building strength. I hope you enjoyed this. Please stay tuned for our next video. Thank you.